I'm the training manager at Monarch School Project, and what inspires me are the staff. We're a public-private partnership with the San Diego County Office of Ed, and it's amazing to see all the staff from both organizations showing up every day committed to meeting students and families where they're at.
I was just amazed about the mission that Monarch had to support and house youth, not only in regards to academic support, but emotional support, and that drew me right away, and I wanted to work in a company that supported students in their resiliency and in their growth.
We're the only K-12 school in the country that serves exclusively unhoused students and families. And we nurture resilience in our students and families. We do this through getting rid of the stigma of being unhoused and getting rid of the stigma of mental health supports.
The program has impacted the students in a really positive way. I feel that after they started receiving therapy services, they can focus on their academic, they can start participating in school activities, they can improve attendance, for example, and they can become more social and have friends and participate in all the other activities that we have for them. I also see them grow and emotionally, and they learn a lot of other coping skills so they can, focus more on like the academic part. So yeah, I see that. I think that a lot of it's personal growth, definitely learning how to manage their emotions on a day-to-day basis and learning how to ask for help too.
We start with relationships. They're the foundation of everything we do. And those relationships allow us to repair harm when it occurs in our community. So that's where we bring in restorative practices. We're strengths-based, which means we start with the dignity of every student and family member, and we honor their expertise and their own lived experience. And then, of course, we have to address the very real challenges that they're experiencing, and we do this through trauma-informed care. All of our staff are trained by our therapists in trauma-informed care, and they're trained in de-escalation strategies, which means that they can hold space for the big feelings that students and families bring. And students and families don't have to protect us from what they're going through.
So every school year, we make sure that every single student is offered the opportunity to receive mental health services. Not only the students, like I said, families, right? Like I think it's really important for us to provide that too. So I'm really proud of that. Even like when we do group therapy, we make sure that we provide it to every single grade level and caregivers too.
The amazing thing about Monarch is that all of our programs are located on the school site. And so this makes them really accessible. They're free, they're bilingual, and they're comprehensive. And I'm proud to work at a place that prioritizes the support of families and alumni just as much as the students who are enrolled here. And so you'll see staff really encouraging the family members, the caregivers to pursue their own dreams and goals, because when the whole family is thriving, everyone wins. And that's when we really start to see disruption in the generational cycle of homelessness.
It's not an easy work, but it's really rewarding. It's really rewarding, especially when you see them graduate. It's like an amazing feeling, like knowing that you were part of their journey. It's my drive. Like I come to work knowing that I'm gonna be helping them accomplish something really big.
It takes a certain amount of safety for students to step out of survival mode and have the capacity to dream.
The San Diego Women's Foundation has given us the opportunity to provide free services to all of our students. We are able to give them high quality mental health services to the families, to alumni students, and to all the students. And we also are able to provide clinical supervision for future trainees, and they can actually come back and provide that. So it's really meaningful for us to be able to provide that, like not only as a therapist, but like as part of this community, right? To have the resources to give back to those that are higher needs. So I'm really, really grateful for this opportunity that we had.